Translator is very important while we are just browsing different websites that contain information in some other language, and translator is even more important while we are traveling around the globe. And in order to fulfill these needs, there are so many translator apps that have been created and are already available on Play Store. If you want to know how you can create translator app using MIT App Inventor 2, then you have to follow this course. This concept has been already discussed on various YouTube channels, but here there is a great difference. While you follow this course, you will create the same translator app, but we will be creating the translator app using very few blocks. This course is completely free and you can enroll it right now, and moreover you will get a certificate on completing this course. Well, in this course you will get to know how you can create a translator app using Yandex Translate component. I have also created another course where I have taught how you can create a translator app using Google Translate API. So if you find creating a translator app a very interesting concept, then I will surely recommend you to even check that course.